Join your hands and start chanting of Omkar thrice. Sairam to one and all.
Sairam sir.
Sairam. And as you all know that the chapter, which chapter was going on?
Sir, chapter 7,
Chapter
conservation of plants and animals.
conservation of plants and animals. And we discussed a lot about this chapter, how particular animals found in a particular area. And today we'll discuss some more points. We already discussed about the desertification, protected area, wildlife sanctuary, national park, biosphere reserve, and we were talking about the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. And what was the very important point of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve? Can anybody tell me? Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, because the plants and animals found in Pachmani Biosphere Reserve are similar to those of the upper Himalayan peaks and those belonging to lower western Ghats. This is a very unique feature of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. And this is the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, and there are two wildlife sanctuaries and one national park in the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. One national park known as Satpura National Park and wildlife sanctuaries are Bori and Pachmani. This we already discussed about the flora and fauna and endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. It means they are not naturally found anywhere, artificially or by
Sir, they are very rare.
yes beta.
They are very rare.
Yes, exclusively found in that area naturally. Actually, by other means, by other methods, we can develop, but they are not found in a particular area naturally. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone or a state or a country. एक प्रकार का एनिमल या एक प्लांट एक पर्टिकुलर जगह के लिए एंडेमिक हो सकता है, वो किसी और की जगह नहीं हो सकता है ना। जैसे हमने देखा कि ये आप देख रहे हैं जो वाइल्ड मैंगो है और साल का जो है पेड़ है, दीज आर द एंडेमिक फ्लोरा ऑफ पचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व। और बहुत सारे हमारे एनिमल्स होते हैं, जैसे एक आप पिक्चर देख रहे हैं जैंट स्क्वायर, बहुत बड़ी गिलहरी होती है। अब एक चीज आती है हमारे पास, व्हाट इज स्पीसीज। स्पीसीज हम किसे कहेंगे? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी अबाउट द स्पीसीज? है ना, व्हाट इज स्पीसीज?
सर एक ही एनिमल की अलग अलग वैरायटीज।
ओके, एनीबॉडी एल्स? ऋषिका?
Sir, may I?
यस बेटा, यस बेटा।
Sir, species are a group of animals, sir, which are capable of breeding, interbreeding.
Definitely, we all humans are one species because the human being give birth to young ones with interbreeding of other human being. Monkey and dog, they cannot give birth to young ones. They are not capable of doing interbreeding. So species, a group of population which are capable of interbreeding, मतलब हम ये कह सकते हैं कि उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एक जैसे होते हैं, उनमें कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं. As you know that there are lots of common characteristics between different human beings. Lots of क्या, so many common characteristics. हमारे फिजिक एक जैसा है, हमारे 2 हाथ हैं, teeth, number of teeth, intestine, digestive system, everything is same. So they can reproduce offspring only with the member of their own species, not with the member of other species. Is it clear? So this is very important to know about the species. Now about the biosphere reserve, wildlife sanctuary. What is wildlife sanctuary? As you know that wildlife sanctuary are like reserve forest. एक reserve forest की तरह हम इसको बता सकते हैं. And here in the wildlife sanctuaries, forest provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. It means unnecessary or encroachment, hunting and poaching of animals, cutting of plants are not allowed here. So wildlife sanctuaries means reserve forests where we provide protection and living conditions to wild animals. And one more important thing, the people living in that area are allowed to do certain activities. मतलब उनको कुछ activities करने की permission है. What type of such activities? As you know that people living in the forest known as tribals. These tribes, they are able to collect wood to cook their food. They can collect medicines from the plants as well as some other limited activity like grazing of their animals are allowed in wildlife sanctuaries. Now, very important point, some of the threatened wild animals like black buck, आप में से कोई बता सकता है ब्लैक बक कहाँ पाया जाता है ज्यादातर?
राजस्थान.
वेरी गुड, राजस्थान में पाया जाता है. ब्लैक बक, व्हाइट आइड बक, एलिफेंट, गोल्डन कैट, पिंक हेडेड डक, घड़ियाल, मार्स क्रोकोडाइल, पाइथन, राइनोसरस, these are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. आपको एक बात पता होगी, कुछ फिल्मी स्टार्स किसी मूवी के लिए शूटिंग के लिए राजस्थान गए थे और उन्होंने इस ब्लैक बक का, जिसको हिंदी में चिंकारा हिरण कहते हैं, उसका शिकार किया था. उन पर आज तक वो केसेस चल रहे हैं. सो किलिंग, हंटिंग totally prohibited because such type of animals are threatened animals. मतलब उनके नंबर्स इतने कम हैं कि अगर हम उनको मारेंगे तो उनके नंबर्स और कम हो जाएंगे. Okay, but protected forests are also not safe because of one reason. Can anybody tell me why protected areas are not that much safe for animals? ऋषिका, ऋषिका की नींद नहीं खुली लगता आज. कैन यू ओपन?
नो सर, ऐसी बात नहीं थी, मैं लाइट खोलने चली गई थी इस वक्त.
ओके ओके. So why, can you tell me beta, why protected wildlife sanctuary or protected forest are still not safe for animals?
सर क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ लोग चुपके से आके भी एनिमल्स के हार्म कर लेते होंगे.
क्योंकि वहां पर एनक्रोचमेंट होता है. एनक्रोचमेंट मतलब अतिक्रमण. लोग धीरे धीरे जंगल में भी अपना एनक्रोचमेंट करते हैं। एनक्रोचमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है कि जगह घेरना, और इस तरीके से धीरे धीरे उस एरिया को कब्जे में कर लिया जाता है। और जहां पर अदर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स की एक्टिविटी शुरू हो जाती है, तो वहां पर जो नेचुरल स्पीसीज हैं उनको उतना ही ज्यादा डेंजर होता, उतना ही खतरा होता है उन लोगों को। सो इस तरीके से ये कुछ एक्टिविटीज हैं जो हमें।
सर ये लोग,
यस,
सर ट्राइबल पीपल ही करते हैं वहाँ
नहीं
पे।
बेटा, ट्राइबल पीपल कभी भी फॉरेस्ट को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते, बिकॉज देयर लाइफ इज डिपेंड ऑन द फॉरेस्ट। आप जिसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहते हैं लाइवलीहुड के लिए, अपने जीवन के लिए, आप उसको हर्ट नहीं करते। लेकिन कई और जब हम परमिशन दे देते हैं, या आपने देखा होगा कुछ गांव वाले या जिनके एग्रीकल्चर फार्म उस एरिया के पास में है, वो धीरे धीरे उसके एरिया को वहां पर एनक्रोच करना शुरू कर देते हैं। वो वहां से लकड़ियां इकट्ठा करना शुरू कर देते हैं, वो अपने एनिमल्स को उस फॉरेस्ट में भेज देते हैं, जिससे फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ ग्रेजिंग। अब आप सभी लोगों का एक टेस्ट ले रहा हूँ, मैं आपको कुछ चीजें दिखा रहा हूँ, और आई होप आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये क्या है। और बिकॉज ऑल आर डिपेंड्स ऑन जनरल अवेयरनेस। यू आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन, ऋषिका?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay, so you will see these pictures within a minute. So, yes, all of you able to see this picture?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Name the project
Yes.
undertaken by Government of India
Project
to
Tiger.
Project Tiger. तो हम यहाँ लिख के देखते हैं आपका आंसर करेक्ट है कि नहीं। Project Tiger, and it is correct answer. Now second question, why was this project initiated?
To save the tigers.
To save tigers.
To save the tiger.
To
save the tiger.
tiger. चलो द लगा देता हूँ, टाइगर्स। करेक्ट आंसर। नेम द टाइगर, नेम द टाइगर रिजर्व इन द अबव स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया।
कान्हा
क्या
नेशनल
आप बता
पार्क,
सकते हैं?
सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क।
चलो मैं आप जो
कान्हा
कह रहा हूँ
नेशनल पार्क।
चलो मैं पहले कान्हा लगाता हूँ। It is Satpura National Park is the correct answer. Okay. In which of the above categories of animals you would keep tigers?
Endangered species.
endangered,
Endangered species.
Can you give me answer?
Sir, endangered species.
Sir,
Why?
endangered. So may I, sir, Prakha?
Yes.
Because sir, they are going to extinct and so people usually kill them.
Okay. Endangered because slowly the numbers are becoming very less. Identify the above animals. Why are these considered extinct?
Dinosaurs.
As a dinosaur.
Yes sir.
Have you seen
Yes, sir.
dinosaur?
No, sir.
No sir. No sir.
Why?
Because these are now extinct.
Yes, dinosaur, it is extinct because they have disappeared completely. Identify the above species.
Sir, so may I, sir, wild mango?
It is wild mango. Wild mango, yes, because exclusively it is found in Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. Okay, so this is यहाँ पर ये बहुत सारे आंसर गलत बता रहे हैं जो कि आपने सही दिए थे। अब चलो फिर इनके आंसर देखते हैं। Why was Project Tiger initiated? To protect the tigers in the country. Name the tiger reserve in the above state of, it is Satpura Tiger Reserve. In which of the above categories? Endangered, because they are slowly disappearing. है ना? And this dinosaurs, these are called extinct because they have disappeared completely. And this is wild mango, है ना? Wild mango. अब देखिए यहाँ पर आपको एक चीज मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये इन्होंने, हमने मैंगो को कैपिटल एम से स्टार्ट किया, इन्होंने स्मॉल एम से किया, और ये इन्होंने गलत दे दिया। ऐसा क्यों?
सर क्योंकि ये पहले से सेव है।
क्योंकि पहले से सेव है। क्या यहाँ पर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पूरी तरीके से काम कर रहा है?
नो सर।
नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यहाँ पर जो है उसको जितना प्रोग्रामिंग दिया हुआ है, जहां जहां जो प्रोग्रामिंग दिया है, ये उसी को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है, अपने हिसाब से उसको एनालाइज नहीं कर रहा है ना? सो ये जो हमने चीजें देखी, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, एंडेंजर्ड, एक्सटिंक्ट और इस प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर। अब यहाँ पर मुझे एक चीज समझना, आप बता सकते हैं कि वाई प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर को ही क्यों स्टार्ट किया गया, प्रोजेक्ट बफेलो क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट किया गया? व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टाइगर इन द फॉरेस्ट? व्हाई टाइगर?
Sir, because he's a he maintain ecosystem in the forest.
वेरी
Like
गुड।
someone, if some animal dies, so he eat him.
There is a very important food chain is related with the tiger, and that's why, and its numbers are becoming less day by day. That's why this project tiger, it was launched by government of India to protect the tigers in the country. The objective, इसके उद्देश्य क्या है, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? It is just to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population. इनको सर्वाइव करना और इनके जो मिनिमम नंबर जो गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड किया है उतना मेंटेन रहना चाहिए, है ना? सो not only tiger, some other species are also gradually slowly disappearing from our forests. But the Satpura Tiger Reserve, it is unique. Why it is unique? Because there is an increase in the population of tigers. Once upon a time, animals like lion, elephant, white buffaloes and Barasinga were also found in Satpura National Park. But animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are called endangered. जिनके देखिए, try to find out the difference between endangered and extinct species or extinct animals. Extinct is completely disappeared like dinosaurs. Completely disappears. वहां पर है ही नहीं. लेकिन endangered, they are still, but their number becoming less and less, very less, and very soon their numbers become, they may be extinct. वो अगर हमने उनको, it means this is a warning alarm कि if we couldn't do anything to protect and maintain the minimum number of such animals, they will become extinct. आज हमको डायनासोर कहीं नजर नहीं आते. The reason behind is that they are totally extinct. क्या रीजन रहा होगा डायनासोर्स के खत्म होने का? Can anybody tell me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ice Age.
Yes,
I
yes,
said.
brother.
Sir, Ice Age.
Okay, Ankush.
सर आइस एज ही बोल रहा था.
Any only one reason? Any other reason? Climate change, and they are
Yes, sir.
unable to adapt with the new climate.
Yes, sir.
This may be one of the reason behind it. कि जब हमारे सामने क्लाइमेट चेंज आते हैं तो our body is able to adjust and develop some certain features to adjust with the climatic conditions. If not, there will be very difficult situation to be in that climatic conditions. All of you know that during this corona pandemic time, we are dependent on distant education, and you are learning, and we are providing you lot of things. If somebody is unable to adjust with this condition, then will not be able to survive. स्कूल जब खुलेंगे हम तब स्टडी करना शुरू करेंगे, तो स्कूल कब खुलेंगे और कब स्टडी होगी। तो हमें सीखना चाहिए कि हाउ टू एडजस्ट विद द न्यू थिंग्स। अगर समय परमानेंटली कुछ दिन के लिए बात है तो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट वी नो दैट इट इज ए लॉन्ग प्रोसेस। When school reopen, when new situation arise, when there will be safe everywhere, we don't know. Nobody knows. So we have to develop certain features. When we go outside, we have to use our mask, we have to use sanitizers, we have to take this maintain social distancing. So don't forget to learn endangered species, extinct species. So very important to learn these definition, endangered and extinct. Extinct means totally extinct. अब आपको सामने एक क्वेश्चन में रख रहा हूं, आर ओनली बिग एनिमल्स फेसिंग एक्सटिंक्शन और स्मॉल एनिमल्स आल्सो? अनिकेत,
Yes, sir.
only are big animals facing extinction or small animals also facing extinction? खतरा दोनों को है या बड़े एनिमल्स को ही ज्यादा है?
सर दोनों को, so both.
हाउ? Are only big cats are facing extinction or small animals also? Okay, let me explain you. Small animals. Please speak again, Samprati.
Yes, sir.
What you told?
Sir, both animals are facing extinction.
Small.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Niyati.
Sir, the smaller animals are much more in danger of becoming extinct than the bigger animals.
Why?
So, because people kill snake, frog, lizards, bats, and owls without
Definitely.
realizing their importance in
If suppose there is a lion at our door, we found there is a lion. We'll try to kill that lion, or we'll
No,
try
sir.
No, sir.
No,
He
sir.
will kill us.
we'll run away from that place.
Yes, sir.
But there is a small snake, or there is a small frog, and you found it should not be here. So anybody can kill that. So small animals, they have faced more chances of extinction because of people's activity. You know, we take initiative to kill them. Is it clear? So small animals like snake, frog, lizard, owl, bats, so people kill them without knowing that they are also very important part of our ecosystem. Ecosystem, it includes plants, animals, even microorganisms in that area, as well as abiotic components. In class 6, you study about the abiotic components like climate, soil, sunlight, rivers. These are the abiotic components. So when we talk about the ecosystem, ecosystem means plants, animals, microorganisms, and abiotic component. All these things together make the ecosystem. इस तरीके से इकोसिस्टम बनता है. अगर इकोसिस्टम में कोई भी एक चीज, कोई भी एक स्टेप, कोई भी एक चेन डिस्टर्ब होती है, सपोज climate is one of the abiotic component of the environment. If their climate disturbs, then animal and plant, some animal and plant cannot survive, just like dinosaurs. If soil become totally polluted, then plants cannot grow on that soil. If plants will not be grow, animals, those who depend on the plant, will not be survive. So microorganisms also play a very important role in maintaining the ecosystem. So this is not a matter ki which is a smaller animal, which is bigger animal. All are very important. Okay, now here is one point. It is given that red data book. Can anybody tell me what is red data book?
Yes, sir. May I?
Yes.
So, Red Data Book is a book in which this is a source of book in which all the endangered animals are written.
Yes, this book is a source book. मतलब इसमें हमें रिकॉर्ड मिलता है हर सभी तरीके के endangered plants और animals, and it is maintained by some organization internationally. Our country India also maintains red data book. Why? For the plants and animals found in India. इसका क्या मतलब है? What is the importance of red data book? If a particular plants or animals name is written in the red data book, it means कि now this is an alarm time. Don't kill that animal. Don't hurt that animal. Otherwise, it will be totally extinct. Is it clear about the red data book? Any doubt about the red data book? Now,
No, sir.
now is the migration. All of you know about the migration. In the previous classes, you studied about the migration. What is migration?
Sir, may I?
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, Niyati.
The process of a bird moving from one place to another according to the season is called migration.
Okay, they migrate only during a particular time because of the climatic conditions, है ना? And they fly to a long, after traveling a long distance, just for laying eggs. Why they do not lay eggs in their natural habitat? Because that natural habitat is not suitable for them. अभी क्या होगा अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा ठंड लगती है, यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा ठंड लगेगी, तो विल स्टार्ट शिफ्टिंग टू अ प्लेस विच इज लिटिल बिट वार्मर. हम एक ऐसे प्लेस की तरफ शिफ्ट होंगे जो यहाँ से कुछ ज्यादा गर्म हो. क्यों शिफ्ट होंगे? क्योंकि इससे हम अपने आप को सेव रख सकते हैं. सो बर्ड्स स्टार्ट माइग्रेटिंग. They travel a long distance. Do you know some of the migratory birds?
Yes, sir.
Siberian crane, and they travel at least 50,000 kilometers up to the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. So because their natural habitat is not suitable at particular time. So that's why they travel a long distance, they lay eggs here, and then they return back to their original habitat. So this was all about the conservation of plants and animals. We'll see what is given in the text. Few more points are there, and these points are reforestation and recycling of paper. क्या आपको मालूम है कि 1 टन पेपर बनाने में कितना पेड़ लगता है। नियर अबाउट 17 पेजेस, 17 full green trees are required to make 1 ton of paper. 1 टन पेपर बनाने के लिए इतने ज्यादा पेड़ों को काटना पड़ता है। अच्छा, आप लोगों में से कितने हैं जो अपनी ओल्ड न्यूज टेक्स्ट बुक को यूज करते हैं रफ वर्क में या किसी और काम में?
सब प्रखर
वेरी गुड। और हमें ये करना चाहिए। क्या अभी भी हमें कुछ ऐसी आदत है कि हम अपने बुक का पेज निकालते हैं और उसका एरोप्लेन बना के हवा में उड़ा देते हैं?
नो सर।
नो सर।
देखिए, अगर हम पेपर वेस्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या होगा? ग्रीनरी कम होगी, ग्रीनरी कम होगी, ऑक्सीजन कम होगा। आपको मालूम है ऑक्सीजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और ऑक्सीजन कम होगी तो लाइफ सरवाइव करना मुश्किल होगा। अच्छा, और कोई तरीके हैं जिससे हम पेपर को रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं? किस तरीके से रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं? कुछ आपके पास आइडियाज हैं? ओल्ड पेपर से आपने कुछ पेपर मैशे वगैरह जैसा कुछ बना भी सकते हैं कि नहीं बना सकते?
सर बनाया भी है।
हाँ, बनाया है ना। तो इस तरीके से आप देखेंगे कि हम पेपर को कई तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं। और रिफॉरेस्टेशन मतलब जितना हमारा प्लांट्स कट रहे हैं, अगर हम उससे ज्यादा प्लांट्स लगाते हैं, सो दिस इज रिफॉरेस्टेशन। Reforestation is just opposite of deforestation. Deforestation is cutting off forest. Reforestation means planting new trees. अब मैं आपको कुछ छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस बताता हूं, और जो जरूरी क्वेश्चंस है यू कैन नोट डाउन दीज क्वेश्चंस। Yes, the first question: protected areas are not completely safe for wild animals. Who will give answer? Nobody? Its answer is because of poaching by human beings. The protected areas are also not completely safe. इंसान
Sir, can I say one more answer?
Yes, beta.
Sir, because sir, so we can take that the owner of the protected areas can be corrupt and he can sell the animals to humans.
Yes. So because of hunting, poaching, encroachment, protected areas are also not safe. Now another question: are only big animals like lion, tiger, and elephant facing extinction? Answer is no. Small animals are also facing extinction. We already discussed. Name the national park and wildlife sanctuaries. We already discussed this. Satpura National Park and Pachmadi Wildlife Sanctuary. Name 2 natural disasters responsible for destroying plants and animals. Flood and drought. आपने देखा है जब बाढ़ आती है तो बहुत सारा, अभी आपने देखा था बिहार में जब फ्लड आया था तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स की डेथ हुई थी, देखा था आपने? बहुत सारे प्लांट्स बेकार हो जाते हैं। The level of which gas in the atmosphere increases because of deforestation? Can you name?
Greenhouse.
Carbon dioxide increases because of deforestation. What is red data book? We already discussed. Protected forests are also not completely safe. We already discussed. Even protected forests are not safe because people living here ho gaya hai. How does deforestation reduce rainfall on land? Important question. Plant help in water cycle. आप लोगों ने सब पता है कि how water cycle, then evaporation of water, condensation of water. If there are less number of trees, the water cycle will totally disturb. And once it disturbs, then there will be less rainfall in that area. Now, some multiple choice questions. Yes. Now I will name. Who will give answer of this question?
Prakhar. Prakhar. Prakhar.
Desertification.
What is the process of conversion of fertile land into desert? It is called
Desertification.
another. Which of the following statements about reforestation is incorrect?
It involves the cutting of
It involves the cutting of tree for industrial purpose.
It involves the cutting of trees for industrial purpose. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Deforestation is a major threat to the ecosystem. Which of the following activities does not lead to the deforestation?
Second.
Constructing biosphere reserves.
Construction biosphere.
Deforestation is a major threat. Which of the following activity does not lead to using wood for making furniture, constructing by clearing land? Yeah, this is correct. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of deforestation?
Global
Global warming.
Global warming is not a disadvantage.
None of these.
So none of these.
global warming. The global warming.
How?
Why? Why?
Because sir, if the trees will be cut and there would be CO2. There would be increased CO2. If CO2 will increase, it will. There would be global warming.
Loss of biodiversity occurs because of yes.
All of the above.
Sir, all of the above. All the above.
All
Yes. Project Tiger was launched on
1970.
first, second, third, fourth.
1970.
1 April. The 1 April.
Yes, it is 1st April. Which of these is a part of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve?
Satpura National Park.
Satpura National Park. Parts of the earth which support the biodiversity is called
Biosphere.
Biosphere.
sure.
Yes, sir.
So, और क्वेश्चंस बताया आपको?
Yes, sir.
चलिए आपको मैं ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये अपन देख चुके हैं. These are the long questions. Deforestation, ये आपके क्वेश्चन दिए भी होंगे आपकी नोटबुक में. Deforestation reduces rainfall on one hand and leads to the flood on other hand. Comment. Deforestation affects the process of transpiration and disturb the water cycle that reduce the rainfall. And on the other hand, water capacity of the soil reduces as the roots are not there to bind the soil, which causes flood. This is a very important question. You can note down this question. Deforestation reduces rainfall on one hand and leads to flood on other hand. Comment. And this is its answer. Any doubt about this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Next is what will happen? ये आपकी बुक में दिया है. What will happen if we keep on cutting trees? The habitat of animal is disturbed. The top layer of soil is exposed. If we keep on cutting trees, temperature will increase, which will lead to global warming, decrease in oxygen level. If habitat of animal is disturbed, then animal may get extinct, khatam ho jayega. And if the top layer of soil is exposed, then nutrients may be washed off from the soil. तो इस तरीके से आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपकी बुक में भी differences between endangered and extinct species, differences between wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve, state the importance of reforestation, methods of forest conservation, classify wildlife species on the basis of being threatened or extinct. So there are so many questions. So now it's time to end the class. So please join your hands and get ready for Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, sir.
Sai Ram beta.
Sai Ram, sir.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, sir.